Hello viewers, welcome to CEC Gurukul Lectures. I am Dr. Parveen Sharma. As we have started a series on the topic developing positive attitude, today in this session we will discuss what are those ways adopting which we can develop positive attitude. By now, in our last lectures, we have discussed what do we mean by attitude and from where do we acquire attitudes and what are the components and characteristics of attitude, how the attitudes influence the life of one individual and the other individual, what are the functions and theories of attitude, and how the barriers come in the way. When the barriers come in the way, then one tries to find the ways to remove those barriers and develop positive attitude. So today we will discuss what are those ways and how we can adopt them, we can use them in our day-to-day life so that we can have positive attitude. Because a person with positive attitude can cope up with the problems and worries of life. It brings constructive change in the life of an individual. It helps the individual to take good decisions, because when one is having a positive attitude, then will be able to take positive decisions in the life which will lead the individual on the path of the success and the path of his or her own chosen destination. Moreover, it brings creativity in the life. It helps you to remain hopeful, and it gives you the capacity to analyze why a particular person behave in a particular way, or why a particular person is having the attitude or acted the way he or she did, from where he acquired those attitude. See, let us discuss what is the way to develop positive attitude. Joyce Meyer has said you cannot have a positive attitude with a negative mind, meaning by if you have a negativity in your mind, then you cannot think positive, and when you cannot think positive, you cannot take right decision, you cannot cope up with the problems and worries of life. So it is essential to have a positive mind. No, let us see how to develop that positive attitude. In fact, attitudes are contagious. Just think for a while why people have the attitudes they have, from where they have acquired. Is your attitude catching? How it is so that one person's attitude influences the attitude of others? See, this picture gives you message, be positive. A negative attitude about a work, a relationship, or in general can be changed. It is based on new experiences, new knowledge, and above all, a sincere desire to change. It all depends on you. See, this picture says the power of positive thinking is the key to success, health and happiness. Meaning by, if you want to achieve success, if you want to remain happy, then the key to these is the positive attitude. It is natural that everyone wants to be happy. This is your positive attitude which takes you towards happiness. As we know that it brings creativity, and chances of success in one life increases. So why not to have positive attitude when we are aware that it helps us in taking right decision, it gives us happiness, it gives us success? Why we can't have positive attitude? Maya Angelou has said, if you do not like something, change it, and if you can't change it, change your attitude. So to stay happy, you have to change your attitude. If you can't change the task, developing of positive attitude is necessary for happy and healthy life, because negative attitudes bring bitterness, resentment, frustration and depression in your life. And when one goes in depression or remain frustrated, then he remain away from the success. So it is essential that we have to stay away from the negativity, because it will definitely spoil our mental as well as physical health. If you have positive attitude in life, it enables you to have a quality life. It gives you better psychological and physical health, as it reduces the level of depression. It also helps you in fast recovery from illness and injury. When you change negative attitude into positive, it gives you satisfaction, and your relation with others also soothes. Your perspective also broadens. The way you look at the world, you think about the people also changes. Your action, your task, your decision also get influenced, and which gives you better results. See, here it is written in this pic that think positive. You want to improve your image, then the first step to develop positive attitude is eliminating negative attitude. You want to know how can we develop positive attitude, because by now we are aware that positive attitude will take us on the path of the success. So the first thing is to eliminate negative thinking from your mind. But to say it is easy, but to accomplish it or to implement it really difficult, but not impossible. And it is not easy for any counselor, for any teacher to suggest single way for developing positive attitude which will work for everyone. Ron Jaworski has said positive thinking is the key to success in business, education, pro football, anything that you can mention. I go out there thinking that I am going to complete every pass. So let us discuss few of the ways. First is the assess your attitude. First, you write a brief description about your behavior, about your image, and about your behavior, how you look at the things and how you see that people are behaving with you. You write a brief description, then you will be able to analyze the things, how the bitterness, if it is there, comes in the relationship. After assessing this thing, you will be able to find out the flaws in your attitude you want to change. Then you start making an effort to change that. Then the second is create positive atmosphere. Try to create a positivity in surrounding you by smiling, by being pleasant, and by thinking positive about others. Try to say optimistic things, complimentary things. Never be in a mood to always find a fault with the others. Try to appreciate the things. It will create positivity around you. Then surround yourself with positive people. It has been said that you become some average of the 5 people with whom you associate frequently, as the positivity and happiness is like a perfume. If you want to be happy, you have to spread happiness, because it is called like a perfume. Then the next way which I'll suggest you is looking for positive. Every situation or person may have combination of positive and negative. You will find what you are looking for. Try to understand when I say you will find what you are looking for. If you try to find positivity in one statement, you will find that. If you think in a negative manner, you will find the negativity. Try to analyze the situation critically. It will help you to find positivity. Building positive self-image. Try to help others. It will give you satisfaction and will bring a good image in the society. When you help others, people will start appreciating you, and when people will start appreciate you, then it will create a positive vibes in your mind, and it will set your mood in a positive manner, and you will have a feeling within you to do something for others also. Do it now. Set the higher goals and motivate yourself. Leave the habit of putting the things for tomorrow. Some people have the habit of putting the things on tomorrow. Whatever the task you are having in your hand, do it now and leave the habit of putting off the things. Here I would like to remind you the quotation given by the great poet, great educationist Kabira. Kabira has said, काल करे सो आज करे सो अब, पल में पढ़ ले आएगी बहुरी करेगा कब. So this is enough to give you message in the words of Kabira that we should do everything which is in our hand. We should have a habit of doing it now. We should not develop a habit of putting it off, because it will make your habit positive. Do not get indulged in the activities which waste your time and energy. Then ready to learn. Your attitude should not be stubborn. From where you get the good ideas, good opinion, you must be ready to learn. Because when we had a discussion long back on the topic learning and its theories and ways and principles of learning, we discussed a lot कि सीखने की कोई उम्र नहीं होती, आखिरी दम तक मनुष्य को सीखते रहना चाहिए. So be ready to learn. It will help you to acquire new attitudes for improving your personality. Since attitude in formation starts very early in your life, and it may be possible that in the beginning, when you were very small, you were having limited information, and on the basis of limited information you form your opinion, you form your attitude, which might not be correct. So it is essential to change your attitude in a broader perspective. So to develop positive attitude, lot of information is essential. Having a morning routine which boosts up your mood is essential. I know happiness is an attitude, not a situation. Learn to relish small pleasures like watching sunrise, doing yoga, and listening to music. Whatever you like will make your mood happy. See in this pic, the persons, they are doing yoga. It can help you to bring positive attitude. Then it is observed that common cold, stress, hunger, lack of sleep also make you depressed, which further can be cause of negative feelings. So good diet, yoga, balanced routine, regular routine is suggested to develop positive attitude, because most of the time it is seen that the illness or diseases are due to depression, which further comes out of the negative attitude. So it is suggested that good routine, balanced diet, yoga, and to remain happy is essential to have a positive attitude in your life. Carry an attitude of happiness. Keep smiling, as smiling releases endorphins and serotonin, also known as feel good hormones. Develop a good hobby like reading a good book with a good message. See, this picture is saying love what you do and do what you love, meaning by the task which you are performing, you must create a love and passion for that work. Stop expectations. When we keep on having expectation from the others, and when the other person do not come on a expectation, that we start worrying or we start remaining unhappy. So stop the expectation, because good things comes to those who work hard. Working hard is really essential to stay happy. Here I would like to quote old shloka, उद्यमेन ही सिद्धंति कार्याणि न मनोरथै नहि सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य प्रवशन्ति मुखे मृगा। अर्थात मेहनत करने से ही कार्य सफल होते हैं, खाली इच्छा रखने से नहीं होते। सोए हुए शेर के मुंह में शिकार या मृग अपने आप नहीं आता। Then how it can lead you to believe that by thinking or by dreaming your goals will be fulfilled, your task will be accomplished. So this is enough to make our learners and listeners and viewers to realize that working hard is essential, because when you work hard, your task will be fulfilled. When your task will be fulfilled, you will stay happy. When you will stay happy, it will bring a positive attitude in you, and that is our motto which we want to develop today from this discussion, and leave complaining attitude. कई लोगों को आदत होती है कि हर समय शिकायत करते रहना, सो इट विल ब्रिंग ए नेगेटिविटी इन योर लाइफ. वॉच योर वर्ड्स. बचपन से हम सुनते आए हैं, पहले तोलो फिर बोलो, मीनिंग बाय यू हैव टू वॉच योर वर्ड्स, बिकॉज इफ यू यूज derogatory or bad words for other person, definitely your relationship with that person will spoil and negativity will come in the relationship. And try to keep your enthusiasm, be energetic, because if you have a balanced diet and a regular routine, you will feel energetic from within. Avoid gossiping, because it will lead you for wastage of your time. And practice self-care, because you have to learn how to take care of your body by exercise, by good diet, or you have to take care of your mind, thinking about positive things or reading good books. So you have to practice self-care. Only then, because if you are healthy mentally and physically, only then you will be able to take care of the others. Remind yourself of your value and potentials. Remind yourself that you have the potential to do a lot, because when we were talking about creativity and when we were talking about intelligence, then we discussed that potentials are within ourselves. गांधी जी ने भी बताया था कि किसी को जो कुछ भी बनना है वो योग्यता उसके अंदर निहित है. एक अध्यापक को क्या करना है कि ऐसी शिक्षा देनी है, ऐसे उदाहरण देने हैं कि जिससे उन अंतर्निहित योग्यताओं को बाहर लाया जा सके. सो रिमाइंड योर सेल्फ दैट यू हैव potentials within. See, this picture says positive thoughts generate positive feelings and attract positive life experiences. Meaning by if you think positive, then you will be able to attract the positive experiences in your life. Try to focus on the good because there is everything surrounding you, negativity and positivity. So you have to focus on the goodness. Always have a purpose. It will work a wonder for you. Learning from the biographies of the great person like Lincoln, Nelson Mandela, महात्मा गांधी, विवेकानंद एंड सो ऑन. इतिहास साक्षी है कि अगर हम महान पुरुषों की जीवनियाँ पढ़ें तो हम बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हैं, जिससे हम सीखेंगे कि जीवन में हमें पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड रखना, सकारात्मक विचारों का रखना कितना ज़रूरी है. You know, this picture says a positive attitude will get you anywhere. It can lead you anywhere. You can have a success in life. Only you have to make effort to have positive attitude. As we are aware that attitudes are rooted in one's own belief, certain attitudes bring a negative impact on our life because most of the time it is our perception, it is our own belief that create negativity. Because we discussed last time that most of the time our worries and our problems, they are not external, but these are created by ourselves because we remain worried and we ourselves create anxiety. So these are most of the time our internal fears which create threat and which poses a barrier in the life of an individual. So we have to learn how to remove these barriers, how to stay positive. You know, try to look for a role model. If you move in a good company, your attitude to see life may change altogether. Choose happiness because there is negativity and positivity surrounding you. So you have to choose happiness. It all depends on your choice, what you choose, because a person's personality is built up by the decisions, by the choices he or she makes in his or her life. Try to embrace optimism. Never always be in a mood to be negative and in a depressed mood. Try to be optimist. Think for yourself. Keep an open mind, because if something happens, then do not think the way why this always happens to me and why the teacher is all the time rebuking me, why the adults are always giving me instructions. Try to take these things in a positive manner, in a optimistic manner, because optimistic things give rise to good moods which will help develop positive attitude. This picture says think positive, do positive and be positive. Yani it gives the clear message, when you think positive, you will be positive and you will act in a positive manner. Learn to be grateful. Leave the complaining attitude all the time कि मुझे ये नहीं मिला, मुझे वो नहीं मिला. So learn to be grateful. Daily remind yourself of the things which you have, and you should be thankful to the parents, to the teachers, and above all to God, by retraining your mind to think all the good things in your life. See, I am stressing on the word retraining. We have to train our mind, we have to retrain our mind, and by being optimistic, because if you develop a positive outlook, it will bring a positive attitude in your life. So friends, today we have discussed few of the important ways, and I'm sure if you try to make effort to follow in your life, it will definitely help you to bring a positive attitude in your life, because in our today's discussion we have made it clear that if you have positive attitude, it will bring creativity in your life, it will help you to cope up with the problems and worries of life, it will help you to take good decisions in life, you will remain happy, you will remain mentally and physically healthy, and you will have more and more success, you will be having the ability to achieve your goal, and you will stay happy. So I wish that after listening all these ways, you will be able and you will make effort to follow these ways so that you can develop a positive attitude. Thank you very much.